The buffer pool's focal point provides visibility into many metrics relating to buffer pool management. Here we see several metrics relating to prefetch activity for local 4K buffer pools. For example, here are pages per I/O for three types of prefetch activity: sequential prefetch, dynamic prefetch, and list prefetch. For Getpage activity, here we see relatively a few sync IOs, the blue line, compared to the number of get pages, the red line, as we would want. Here again we see several metrics now relating to get pages for local 4K buffer pools. Here we see the rate of random get pages, and again the rate of sync read IOs, and the buffer pool hit ratio for the random get pages. And if we wonder if this is the typical profile or an anomaly, we can again easily compare with any other interval in the database. And when we check with the day earlier this week, we see, yeah, this is a pretty standard profile for this activity. Now, since one key aspect of Db2 performance tuning is seeking to reduce sync read IOs, let's look at that metric in some more detail. So drilling down first by the members of the data sharing group, we see that the profile is relatively similar across the members. Now let's go back and drill down by the buffer pool for the various buffer pools. And here we see that the number of sync read IOs is highest for buffer pools 5 and 21, 15, and maybe 20. So those pools could be the initial focus of buffer tuning efforts. IntelliMagic Vision also provides visibility into group buffer pool metrics. Here we see reads due to buffer cross invalidations with data for the 4K group buffer pools. And again, we can drill down and look at this either by member or by buffer pool number and do additional investigation from there.